Have you ever wondered how ancient civilizations used mathematics in their everyday lives? Many ancient civilizations used important math skills to build their infrastructures and many other things. One of those important math skills is the Pythagorean Theorem. The origins of the right triangle can be traced back to 3000 BC in ancient Egypt. The Egyptians used special right triangles to survey land by measuring out 3, 4, 5 right triangles to make right angles. The Egyptians mostly understood right triangles in terms of ratios, or what would now be referred to as the Pythagorean triplets. The Egyptians also had not developed the formula for the relationship between the sides of a right triangle. At this time in history, it is important to remember that the Egyptians also had not developed the concept of a variable or an equation. The Egyptians mostly studied specific examples of right triangles. For example, the Egyptians used rope to measure out distances to form right triangles that were in whole number ratios. In this illustration, it demonstrates how a 3-4 right triangle can be formed using ropes to create a right angle. It turns out that if the rope was pegged to the ground in the dimensions of 3, 4, 5, a right triangle would emerge instantly. This enabled them to lay the foundations of their buildings accurately. The ancient Egyptians used the Pythagorean theorem to build their magnificent pyramids and many other glorious structures.